Hello everyone, my name is Sonia and today I'm going to teach you a conversation between me and my friend. There we will talk about our plan after school. So let's start.
Hi Sonia.
Oh, hi Ram, how are you and how's the day going on?
It is okay. I'm not enjoying it much. But hey, I was planning to go to watch a movie tonight. Would you like to join me?
Oh yes, I wanted to watch the movie today because it is Sunday tomorrow, so I wanted to spend some time in entertainment.
Oh, that's great. Let's go to the movie tonight. Let me call my brother to book the ticket. Hi brother, I'm Ram. I wanted you to help me. Would you please help me? Please book 2 tickets. I want to watch the movie tonight. Will you please? Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot. Oh, wow, my brother will book the ticket for us. The show is at 7 o'clock. So, will you please meet me after the school?
Yes, sure. Will you pick me up from my home? Because I come from tuition at 6:30, so it will be not possible for me to reach your home at 7 o'clock. Please pick me up from my home.
Yes, sure. I'll take the bike of my brother. I'll pick you up there.
Okay, bye. See you tonight.
Bye bye. Oh, hi Sonia. Where are you? I was waiting for you nearby a cafe. It is just 1 minute walking distance from your home. Please come fast.
Oh, really? I'm inside the cafe. Please come inside. Let's have something to eat. Then we will go from here.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh, hi Ram. You came early. Let's have something to eat first.
Sure, let's take a cup of coffee and then let's go to watch movie.
Okay, fine. I will take juice. You can take a cup of coffee.
Oh, snowfall had started. Now how will we go?
Yes, I think we should cancel today the program of movie.
No. We are not going to cancel. We will go. Let me take the car of my brother. Hi, brother. I want your car. It had started to snow. Now we can't go on bike. I want your car. Will you please borrow me a car? Oh, thank you. Thanks a lot. My brother is so nice. He allowed me to take the car.
Oh, wow. Then let's go to watch the movie. We had watched the movie. It was really good movie. I really enjoyed it. Did you?
Yes, I also really enjoyed it. It was a very good movie. Okay, bye. Then let's meet tomorrow.
Bye-bye. Take care.
So, this was our conversation of meeting after the school and going to watch movie. I hope you liked it. If you like, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for the daily English practice videos like that. Thank you.